Hey lawyers, happy summertime to you guys. In this video, I'm sharing a few pitfalls you might run into if you're doing meta ads. I've noticed with lawyer marketing, having helped lawyers get clients and grow their law firms and grow whole new practice areas for over 15 years. I've really spent my whole life supporting law firms. That some of you guys know a lot about advertising and marketing, and some of you don't know anything about advertising and marketing. And when you're on your own doing your own practice, you really need to know like how to get clients yourself if you can. Even if you don't have the time to do it yourself, it can really help to understand as much as you can about it so that you know somebody's doing a good job for you, and then you can go back to just practicing law. So this video is not really an overview. It's kind of going into the weeds when it comes to doing advertising on Facebook ads to get new clients for your law firm. So let's jump in right now. Drum roll, please. Meta ads pitfall number 1, believing scams. Almost every time we start running ads, we get comments and messages that tell us your page is about to be deleted. It looks very serious, but actually your page is not about to be deleted. All you have to do is hide the comments or move the messages into your spam folder. Meta ads pitfall number 2, missing notifications. Finding a lawyer is really easy these days, but finding a great lawyer who is actually going to care about your case is not so easy. I'm often running a lot of lawyer ads all at once, all at the same time, and there's no way that I would want to have notifications popping up on my cell phone all day long. So what you need to do, if this is you, be very vigilant about communicating with those who reach out. Whether you have to put a timer on your phone and make sure to keep checking Facebook or meta ads, or you just like having the notifications coming in on your phone, you need to create some sort of method to be sure that you're interacting with these people who respond. And finally, meta ads pitfall number 3, not following up. One of the most powerful ways to advertise on Facebook is with Facebook lead ads. And again, there's no notifications. And in order to download your leads who you have no idea came through, you need to go deep into Facebook, and it's a huge hassle. So even finding your leads in Facebook is kind of a pain. But if you plan to do Facebook lead ads, make sure to create some sort of immediate follow-up for anyone who responds to your ads. The real takeaway here is to go for it. Don't believe in these scams that are saying that you're using copyrighted content or that they're going to pull down your whole website because something. It's usually not the case. I have had a few times when it was actually Facebook that was thinking we were advertising and breaking some policy, but most of the time, actually about 99.9% of the time, it's a scam. Also, making sure that you don't put your ads on and just walk away. You've got to be really vigilant about following up, because really it is easy to find a lawyer these days. And my worst nightmare when it comes to legal marketing is somebody getting into the hands of a lawyer who really doesn't care about helping them very much. People just don't realize what a big difference it is between someone like you with a bunch of experience and someone who doesn't care too much. It can change their whole lives. So make sure that any little person coming through with their little comment or their message or anything is getting a reaction from you. And then finally, what I really mean by following up is if you can create automated follow-ups that immediately send them some kind of confirmation or more information, that's really the way to go. I hope this has been a wonderful summer for you guys so far. My name is Mary Cary, and I've been creating how-to lawyer marketing videos since 2008. And many of you guys open my emails, but not that many people watch the videos, so I've been making a few less videos lately, and still posting, but just not with me on camera as much. But I'd love to know what you think. How are you spending your summer? Do you like these tips? Do you watch the videos, or do you just read the email from me? I'm curious. I love hearing from you. This video blog is just an act of love because so many of you lawyers don't really have the time to understand marketing. And I've been acting as a marketing director for over 100 law firms for about 15 years now. So I have a lot of insight into how to grow your law firm. I'm also in school. I'm studying towards being a lawyer. I got an A+ in my first law class, but I'm not really sure if I want to practice law. It's a pretty serious subject. I'd love to hear, any tips you guys have about becoming a lawyer, whether I should continue on that path. Anyway, I just like interacting with you, so reach out to me anytime, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video if you happen to watch it. Thanks a lot.